As industries shift towards smart manufacturing, having a skilled workforce is more crucial than ever. Welcome to the future of PLC training with Amatrol's portable hands-on PLC training system. Our portable hands-on PLC training system, utilizing an Allen-Bradley CompactLogix controller, is a game changer in the world of developing real-world PLC skills. With a focus on practical, hands-on learning, this system provides an immersive training experience that bridges the gap between theory and application. In fact, this system features 69 different learning objectives and 39 hands-on industrial skills. This system also includes Amatrol's world-class interactive e-learning curriculum that directly corresponds to the skills being taught by the PLC troubleshooting system. Amatrol's multimedia e-learning curriculum includes text with voiceovers, videos, 3D animations, pictures, interactive activities, quizzes, and self-reviews. Combining training in areas such as programming, motor control, and pneumatics, Amatrol's PLC training system also interfaces with our Tabletop Smart Factory learning system. The PLC system displays performance analysis of Tabletop Smart Factory via I/O link, including data such as transmitter pressure, photo eye signal strength, and RFID tag output. Contact your Amatrol representative today to learn more.